Hi, welcome to the assembly guide for the 100 litre poly wheelbarrow. When you pick a wheelbarrow up from the store, you'll have your tray, you'll have your arms, and you'll have your kit. Within the kit, you'll find all the parts you need, including assembly instructions and a parts list. What you'll need to put the wheelbarrow together is a flat end screwdriver and a shifter. You do have a socket wrench, that'll make things quick at the end. So what we'll do first is flip our tray over and we'll add our arms on. You'll notice 4 holes in the bottom of the tray. There's 2 in each arm and that's the connection points. Let's turn it like so. So with the arm, you'll notice there's a flat side. That flat side will sit flat up against the tray. So to add the arms into place, what you'll need is your 4 longest bolts. You'll guide your bolt through the tray and then through the arm. You'll notice a little bit of length here, so you can just apply pressure with your finger and easily put your bolt on. Throughout this process, we just want to put the bolt on really gently and not too far. I find that putting together the wheelbarrow very loose makes it a lot easier to complete the process. So we'll do the other side now. Through the tray, through the arm, hold the bolt with your finger and screw the nut on. Last one at the top. There we have it. The last one's done. So next we'll add on our leg structure. The leg structure is 2 V-legs, like so, and then we've actually got a brace that sits behind it to bring stability. So now the V-legs on, what you'll do is you'll actually be able to grab the nut, pulling the bolt through, and again, applying pressure with your finger, guide the V-leg over, and then tighten the nut up. Repeat the process on the other side, pull it up, V-leg at the top, and then into place. Repeat the process at the bottom. Now you'll find that if the bolt falls through, that's fine. All you need to do, and this might happen on any, is just place your hand underneath, put some pressure on the bottom, and hold it in a place so it doesn't actually move. So you might have to do that with one of them, all 4, it might not happen at all. Okay, so there we have our V-legs into place. Next we need to add the brace for V-legs. So you'll grab your 2 smallest bolts. You'll notice holes in the back of the V-leg, holes here, just align them, guide it straight through. And tighten the nut. Repeat the process on the other side. Okay, so there we have our leg assembly, our arms and our tray. That core is now complete. Turn it around. You'll notice with the nose piece, you've got 3 holes on this side, 3 holes on this side that will align with the 3 holes at the top of the arms. You'll just drop that straight over. Okay. What I'll do here is grab my 2 front braces, which actually sit underneath like so. So I'll grab one of the 6 longest bolts that I've got left. All I'll do is guide it through my front brace, look for the holes underneath, through the arm. You may need to pull the nose up slightly to align with the holes. And there you go, falls into place. Repeat the process on the other side. Okay, through the brace, through the arms, make sure it gets through the nose, and then tighten. Okay. So at this point in time, we'll just leave the base down here of the brace loose. Next, we'll add on our wheel assembly. So the wheel assembly being the wheel, the axle, and then the axle holes. So you'll notice when you slide these over that it will point one way or the other. In this case, it points this way, the V. Okay. So you want to follow the natural line of the arms. So I turn it around like so, and it all lines up perfectly. Then what I'll do is grab one of my 4 largest bolts that still remain, pass it through the arm, through the nose piece, through the axle holder, and then add on the nut. Repeat the process on the other side. Now you have stability to it, so add your last 2 into place. Just turn it if you can't see. There we go. Last one. There we have it. The wheel assembly is now on. Okay. So flip it over. So you'll have 2 bolts left, 2 nuts left. You'll have your 2 braces. Just probably swing it around up here. So that's where your last 2 bolts go through your tray, into your brace, and then secure with the nut. Repeat the process on the other side. Okay, and there you have it. There's your 100 litre poly wheelbarrow assembled. What you need to do now is tighten everything up. Okay, so you'll grab your screwdriver, your shifter, screwdriver to the bolt end, shifter to the nut end, and you'll turn like so, and you can tighten it up. Speed up the process. You'll be able to grab a socket wrench, like so. And there you have it. There's your 100 litre poly wheelbarrow. Happy gardening. Thank you.